right, Paul Katroff with 423byland.com. It's Sunday morning. I want my absolute scruffiest right now. I'm going to be trying to grow the beard out. Never done it before. So anyway, I'm almost here to do a little update video because I showed you lot number 497. Real special corner lot. And it's one of those corner lots that are way oversized, just has all the characteristics for a big sale, and it sticks out among all of my other properties. Well, I had a culvert installed. We don't always do that, but in some of our lots we pay for a little bit of development, and I find that a culvert can sometimes change the way a property looks. So today I'm going to taking a look at our newly installed culvert. Dave put the dirt down yesterday, and now he's putting the road base. So stay tuned. Okay, here we are. We're at lot number 47. I'm going to reintroduce you to that lot real quickly, because I know we have quite a few on our webpage. Okay, there's our corner lot. And there's a sign. So a lot goes down there, it comes around here. A very big lot. Most of your lots are probably no big, go from right about to there to there. But if you notice the extra land, it's considerably different. Okay, the gravel has been delivered, as you can see. Actually, this is road base. This has a mixture of crushed cement and everything with it. And this is your fill dirt. So Dave is going to come out here and he's going to push this, make it look beautiful. You know, I told him I wanted an extra scoop on here because this is going to be a little bit bigger culvert. Some of them have short easements, some of them have long easements or wide easements. But I'm seeing it right here, guys. This is where I aligned it, right here. Nothing but brush. A little bit of an angle, but it's okay. You got that extra square footage. And you could tuck this at an angle right back, you'd be in great shape. But absolutely one of those beautiful mornings I've ever seen. While I'm standing here, I'm just going to show you what it looks like as I do a 3 or 180. Notice it's real quiet, extremely quiet. I try to tell people this. Dogs are not stupid. Whenever you hear dogs barking, once the dogs get used to you and they know you're going to come back, they stop barking. Now, if you visually see 10 dogs across the street, you don't buy that property. I don't. So, anyway, I'll probably take a few more pictures. If you have any questions, Paul Katroff, 423byland.com is our website with a full listing available. Take care. Have a wonderful day.